Faridun X Ranveer for Bollywood Hangama.
वेलकम बैक रणवीर ऑन बॉलीवुड हंगामा एंड कांग्रेचुलेशंस। मैं आपको बताऊं, मैंने जब फिल्म देखी 83 जब मैंने देखी तो मेरा सेंटिमेंट ये था कि दैट मुझे याद आया कि थ्री इडियट्स जब मैंने देखी थी तो एक यूफोरिक फीलिंग हुई थी प्रेस शो में देखने के बाद में। एंड आई रियलाइज्ड कि दैट 83 देखने के बाद में इट वाज मेनी नॉचेस हायर, दैट फीलिंग वाज मेनी नॉचेस हायर। Personally, I've not seen a film that gives you this sort of euphoric feeling. How does it feel? Whenever people will talk about you 20 years down the line, this will be a film that will be definitely on top of the list, and you have some very, very impressive films.
सर मुझे तो पता है आप क्या फीलिंग कर रहे, किस फीलिंग से गुजरे जब आप निकले और आपने वो पीस टू क्या बया दिया 7.5 मिनट का, और आंखें आंखें नम थी आपकी। तो आई वॉच दैट होल थिंग एंड इट वाज वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट reactions. Those were the early stages in which we were showing the film to our friends in the media, and I saw what you said about the film and what you felt. I could the emotions that you expressed in that video. I saw it all. I felt it all, and I connected with it. And it'll always be a fond memory. You and I have also had such a journey. We have been interacting for years now, and I'm really proud of your journey as well. I mean, like, um, it's like what the kind of position and stature that you have all created for yourself as a film journalist. I'm really proud to see that. अब जब हमारे पीआर डिपार्टमेंट में अब बोलते हैं ना, चलो आज हम बड़े वाले इंटरव्यूज करेंगे और आपका नाम से पहले आता है वहां, उसमें हमें भी प्राउड फीलिंग होती है यार।
Thank you.
तो
Thank
कितने
you.
सालों से दोस्त। तो I've seen that video and I have to say it made me emotional, to see what you felt, and what you expressed and how you expressed, and that you said about me in particular. I really felt that, so I really connected to that, and I deeply appreciative of it. I think it's ये बहुत स्पेशल फिल्म बन गई, और मेरे लिए तो मतलब मेरे लिए तो I don't even understand even at this stage what means. I'm still absorbing it all. The kind of claim, the kind of praise that's being heaped. It's like an avalanche, like a tsunami. That that I'm still. Every time I open my phone, there's something that it's almost shocking to me. Like before I got onto this call, I opened my phone and somebody sent me Rajni sir's tweet.
Yes, Mr. Jinasa.
Like there are friends of mine, um there are ex-employees of mine, there are that I haven't connected with in years. There are friends of mine when I used to struggle in theater in Mumbai. This is like years ago. This is like in 2007 8. I've gotten messages from them, and it's those messages, and oftentimes people express themselves about what they felt about your film, whether they felt emotional or they were entertained. पर जो language इस बार use हो रहा है, the way people are expressing, अभी आप ही का वीडियो देख लो सर, आपने भी मेरी फिल्में देखी हैं, जो भी अच्छी वाली हैं, जो भी आपको अच्छी लगी. This one is extra special, man. This is like I've never experienced this before. The euphoria around a film, this kind of response and reaction, this kind of outpouring of emotional expression, these kind of things that people are saying about me on like Twitter and stuff. I'm like, I think the only thing I can say is that I've never felt this before, and it's many happy feelings at once. So I need to articulate it कि ये feeling होती क्या है, क्योंकि मेरे को पहली बार हो रहा है, 10 में पहली बार हो रहा है. I have gotten a lot of love and appreciation for a lot of films and a lot of roles, but this is something I've not experienced. So I still need to articulate. But if the closest word I can come up is just overwhelming, it's just really overwhelming. I find myself, for the past week, there are at least 2 or 3 times a day I get a message from somebody or I read something and find myself in tears. Such is the kind of outpouring of love that there is for this film and for this performance. So I'm just very, very overwhelmed.
जैसे मुगल आजम है, लगान है, शोले है, जाने भी दो यारों है, तो ये ऐसी जो आइकॉनिक फिल्म है जो कि हर किसी को पसंद आती है. एंड 83 इज गोइंग टू बी अनदर फिल्म दैट विल बी इज गोइंग टू फाइंड दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ लव. बहुत सी ऐसी फिल्में होती हैं जो कि हमें बताया जाता है कि यार उस टाइम पे बड़ी बॉक्स ऑफिस बड़ी सक्सेसफुल हुई थी, लेकिन वी डोंट इवन नो दैट बिकॉज वो उस टाइम पे चली कुछ टाइम के लिए जो भी है एंड दे अर्न द मनी. बट लेकिन जो इज्जत और जो मोहब्बत, ये इन फिल्मों का मैंने जिक्र किया और 83 इज गोइंग टू बी अर्निंग दैट. एंड मतलब सिर्फ अगर एक फिल्म की वजह से आपको हमेशा अगर याद रखा जाएगा तो मैंने जैसे पहले भी जिक्र किया, बहुत सी आपकी फिल्में आप ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं, बट 83 इज अ वेरी स्पेशल फिल्म. यू नो, जिस तरीके से वो बाइंड करती है, यू नो, as you said that you've not still processed that, but what does 83 mean to you?
You know,
I saw you cry at one of the Rajdeep Sardesai's interview. I saw you cry when you spoke about Balwinder Sandhu ji, and I've not seen it like this before.
I don't want to. I don't like to cry publicly.
I know.
It happens, and later I feel very embarrassed about it. I feel like एक expression करना अच्छा है, लेकिन I feel like I just cry too easily nowadays. Maybe it's what I see happening around in the world due to pandemic that's made me just very emotional. It's like मेरे emotions का घड़ा अब एकदम full, you know. I don't know what it is, but yes, in the context of 83, I did get emotional in the instance that you mentioned, and it's still making me emotional. Like I told you, there are messages. पहले तो phone रुके ही ना. It is just not stopping. Like I said, it's an absolute avalanche. I think मेरी बैटरी, फोन की बैटरी जो 2 दिन में एक बार खत्म होती है, क्योंकि मैं फोन यूज नहीं करता. और आई बी द फर्स्ट वन टू टेल यू माय फोन एटिकेट इज क्वाइट बैड. वो 2 दिन में जो एक बार बैटरी खत्म होती है, वो दिन में 3 बार बैटरी खत्म हो रही है. मेरे पास पावर बैंक नहीं है कि मैं उसको दोबारा ऑन करूं, क्योंकि मैसेजेस इतने सारे आ रहे हैं, रुक नहीं है. इट्स रियली इट्स अ वेव तो कहना कम, इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ सुनामी ही. दिस काइंड ऑफ लव कमिंग माय वे, आई एम डेफिनेटली ओवरवेल्म्ड. एंड आई फील लाइक फरीदून भाई, एक तो it's a miracle that I became an actor.
Why do you say that?
अब आप फैक्ट्स देखो तो मेरे क्या ही चांसेस थे.
No, I can understand. I can understand. You know, it is. You know, I have cried through this film. You know, I felt so good while watching this film, and I can totally understand what you must have gone through um, while making it. But you know, I spoke to Kabir. I spoke to Kabir.
It is. It's like what do I even say? Like how do I react to messages like this? What people are saying about me and what they're saying about the film and what they felt and the way they are expressing themselves. इतना प्यार तो मुझे कभी नहीं मिला है पहले. And like you said, I've done good movies and some memorable characters, but this is another level. ये तो मतलब it's like it's very special, Faridun, and I recognize that. I know ये हर बार नहीं होगा, और that's what makes 83 so special. I just the fact that I got to be part of such an amazing story. You know, like इंग्लैंड में जाके क्रिकेट खेलना, कपिल देव के घर में रहना, to be trained by Kapil Dev, to interact with these legends. अभी आप सोचो, if I think back to 10 years ago when I was struggling, you told me one day you play Kapil Dev, and the movie we loved like no other, and it'll be a you'll have a glorious filmography, and this will be its crowning glory. I mean, like, for me, it would be the stuff of dreams. It would be fanciful to think कि ये कोई fantasy describe कर दिया आपने मुझे. But today, that's a reality. 83 is in theaters. People are crying through their tears, laughing through their tears. They sorry, laughing through their tears, and they are बेसिकली कभी हंस रहे हैं कभी रो रहे हैं, उसका कुछ हिसाब नहीं, जो मेरे साथ भी हुआ है सिनेमा में. आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा. थ्री इडियट्स के टाइम पे या फिर लगान के टाइम पे या रंग दे बसंती के टाइम पे आप कब हंस रहे हो कब रो रहे हो कुछ हिसाब नहीं है. क्या फीलिंग्स हो रही हैं आपके अंदर. दो स्पेशल सिनेमैटिक एक्सपीरियंसेस यू नेवर एवर फॉरगेट. मुझे आज भी याद है मैं थ्री इडियट्स किसके साथ गया था, कहाँ गया था, क्या हुआ था, और किस पॉइंट पे रोया. और people are now expressing themselves that they are laughing and crying and clapping and whistling and getting up. and ये तूफान के ही टाइम पे हुआ था. मैं भी तो गया था गिटी गैलेक्सी अपने दोस्तों के साथ लगान देखने, और फिर वो जब फाइनल आता है ऐसे लगता है आप स्टेडियम में पहुंच गए. तो मतलब गेटिंग अप एंड क्लैपिंग, स्क्रीमिंग, cheering, ये तो उस टाइम मतलब 20 साल पहले की बात है. So to be a part of something that's into something so special, it's a very very special time in my life. मुझे I realize and recognize all too well how special this is. 10 साल में पहली बार हुआ है यार. तो once in 10 years टाइप का गणित हो गया ना ये तो. और लगान कब 20 साल पहले आई थी. थ्री इडियट्स क्या 13 साल पहले आई थी. तो ऐसी ऐसे ऐसी फिल्में रेयर होती हैं, और
No, definitely.
बिकॉज दे
It is
स्पेशल.
it is rare. Okay, and a lot of people are saying, Ranveer, this is a national award winning performance.
देखो यार फरीद भाई, अब मैं क्या ही बोलूं. मेरे बस मेरा सर झुक जाता है और मेरे हाथ झुक जाते हैं जब मैं ऐसी चीज सुनता हूँ, या आपसे सुन रहा हूँ अभी. मैं फोन खोलता हूँ तो वहां सब बोल रहे हैं. अम, हम्म, क्या ही मैं आई फील स्पीचलेस एंड ओवर.
No, no, that is understandable. एक सेंटीमेंट मैं आपको ऑनेस्टली बताऊं, जब जब फिल्म स्टार्ट हुई तो एक चीज मेरे जहन में ये आ रही थी कि that obviously if Ranveer is there, so he must have worked really hard in getting the bowling stance right and batting stance right. And Saqib, if Saqib is such a hardworking actor, he would have got Mohinder Ramanath's run जो है properly. Hadi Sandhu is a cricketer. He would have got Madan Lal right. But the important part was that emotional quotient. Getting the story flowing, getting their stories out. वो जिस तरीके से वीव किया है वो कबीर खान ने, कि ऐसा लगता है कि वो एक हम लोग कठपुतली हैं व्यूअर्स, एंड ही वांटेड, उनके पास में वो एक मतलब बटन था कि कब हमें हंसना चाहिए, कब हमें कैसे फील होना चाहिए, कब हमारी एक्सटेसी के लेवल्स को वो डिले कर रहे हैं. He is delaying the ecstasy level by getting that pregnant lady, and she's being rushed to the hospital. So something about Kabir Khan. How special was it to work with someone like him?
What I love the most about Kabir is what a fine gentleman he is. What a lovely guy he is. Um, he's so correct, righteous, courteous, warm. He's a good man. He's a good man, and that goodness shows in his storytelling. It shows in his filmmaking. चाहे आप बजरंगी भाईजान देख लो या फिर 83 देख लो. These are warm films about good people, and that's why he's able to. That's what he's able to translate through his cinema. The other thing I appreciate about Kabir Khan, which is why I always felt that he's the right guy to tell this amazing, extraordinary story of human triumph, is that his cinematic language very inclusive. He doesn't alienate any section of the audience. It's a film for everybody. आप बच्चे बूढ़ों के साथ बैठ के देख सकते हैं आप, regardless of age and gender. His cinematic language is so lucid that it can be seamlessly received by a very wide spectrum of audience. Film that's for everyone, and that's what I love about his cinematic language. That's what I love about him as a person. And what I appreciate about him is his level of detailing and homework. It's like he had done an absolute world of homework before getting onto the set. Essay, I would like you to think of it as some kind of very, very fine and complicated mathematical equation. This like detailing, har cheez, har cheez, har cheez, har cheez, har cheez. Everything worked out to land at that one thing. तो इतना सारा काम उन्होंने किया ताकि he lands at this. And in the context of 83, what is this? In the context of Bhangi, what is this? This is that euphoria, that emotion that you feel. कि वो बच्ची जब मामू बोलती है बजरंगी में, आपको क्या फीलिंग आती है आपके अंदर. That's what art is meant for, right? To evoke emotion of you, to somebody who views it. या चाहे वो फाइनल में वो अपील हो, जहाँ देश के हर कोने में लोग अपील कर रहे हैं, वो फाइनल विकेट पे वो जो इमोशनल स्वेल आता है, that is what he arrives at. It takes a real mastery of craft and filmmaking to recreate a euphoria 38 years later inside a cinema hall, what was felt at that time. And he's been able to achieve that. Now, when I see videos of that are circulating social media of that kind of euphoria, really, it makes me so proud of the film and so proud of my filmmaker.
Kabir works on multiple levels and layers. I think that is something which is the beauty of his cinema. He's saying more than the obvious story. एक बहुत important part इसमें है जो पंकज त्रिपाठी साहब का जो डायलॉग है कि आजादी मिल चुकी है, इज्जत मिलना बाकी है कप्तान. Someone who has taken a lot of pride in the work that he does. How important is that level of self-respect for you, and how has it inspired you to take your life journey forward?
I feel like जैसे वो गली बॉय में डायलॉग है ना, ऊपर वाले ने मुझे तोहफा दिया है, opportunity of becoming an actor. जैसे कि ऊपर वाले ने कैसे आवाज़ मुझे, like I told you, what were my chances of becoming an actor? They were 1,000,000 to 1. और मैं बन गया. और I have such value attached to my opportunities that I have a chance today of being an actor in Hindi films. This was a dream for me, and I'm living that dream, so I attach a lot of value to it. And I feel like there are people in the field of philanthropy, social service, of sport that are doing so much for our country and for our people, and making us proud such that we stand shoulder to shoulder with anybody in the world. Just couples devils made it happen in this most spectacular way back in 83, made us believe that hum kisi se kam. I feel like I have a chance now, being at the forefront of Indian entertainment, that from this platform where I've reached, एक journey होती है. अब मैं एक इस platform पे पहुंचा हूँ where from here I can do bigger and better things and greater things. I can, through entertainment, create films more of the same 83, or memorable films that our entire country can watch, feel proud, feel something, feel an emotion, films that will be everlasting, that like you said, perhaps in the case of 83, 50 years down, 60 years down, you'll still remember those films and you'll be like, क्या film थी ये. और आप दूसरे जनरेशन को बोलोगे टाइमलेस है, आप जाके देखो एक बार, अगर आपने देखी नहीं है आपको कुछ तो महसूस हो. So be a part of more films like that, and also bring our cinema, take our cinema to the world stage. अगर बॉन्ग जून हो पैरासाइट बना सकता है, हम किसी से कम नहीं है. So I feel like that time has come. We have had a late start in cinema. But our cinema is evolving so rapidly around the country. There's such talent doing such great work. I feel like it's just a matter of time. It's around the corner. It's just we're so close to making that breakthrough where we are widely recognized as the premier cinema around the world. I feel like I have an opportunity to somewhere roll that or make that happen or make it into a reality. So I've been given this sunehra mauka, this most wonderful opportunity of being a performer in mainstream Hindi cinema. That I feel like that's I want to do. अभी जैसे कहते हैं 3 के साथ ऐसे लहू मूल गया कि ऐसा प्यार भी मिल सकता है, ऐसा अप्रिसिएशन भी मिल सकता है, रेकग्निशन मिल सकता है आपको फिल्मों के लिए. तो आप और भी ऐसा काम करें और भी स्टोरीज ढूंढें जो इंस्पायर करें, एक्सिलरेट करें ऑडियंस को. और आप उतना इज्जत, उतनी प्यार, उतनी मोहब्बत आप कमा सक. हियर इज अ प्राइम एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द पावर ऑफ सिनेमा and the potential. So yeah, I would say I would say more films like 83 and hopefully work towards taking our cinema. We'll always be we have the language barrier. Slowly the world is becoming one great big entertainment community. हम भी आज money heist या मैंने देखी नहीं है, but we watch all these international shows. We are seeing what Parasite went and was able to achieve at a global stage. I feel like we are there too. We have the infrastructure, we have the personnel, like the team of 83. उनके ज्यादा पैसे नहीं थे, पैसे तो कम ही है, हमारे बजट्स उनके बजट्स जैसे नहीं है. But we have the heart, and we have the talent. So I feel like in order to answer your question, that analogy I can see, and that ठीक है, we don't have the interest, maybe that kind of muscle in terms of money or infrastructure, but we've got the heart and we've got the talent, and we can do it.
So basically, you're saying that this has inspired you to maybe take Indian cinema to world stage and lead Indian cinema. That's a great thought. Okay, and Ranveer, in Dubai, when you guys were having that special moment at Burj Khalifa, Deepika had tears in her eyes, and she's an extremely genuine person who's very specific about her own individuality as well. At the premiere, she said that you're looking good. And the way she said it was as if there is no one else over there, and she's just talking to you personally. So I think that's a very special relationship that you have over there. How has this relationship contributed to you being what you are?
अरे सबसे बेस्ट और बड़ी बात तो यही है कि जितनी प्यार और मोहब्बत मेरी वाइफ मुझे दे रही है 83 देखने के बाद, बेस्ट पार्ट तो वही है. Amongst the love and affection, appreciation and recognition from all corners, I would say the way Deepika's reacted, I'm getting a lot of extra love in the past couple of weeks since she's seen 83. She's feeling prouder than ever before and is expressing it to me in different ways, and I am lapping it up. So she's very proud of my work, and I'm getting more love from her and affection than ever before. So this is one of the best things to come out of 83 for me.
Ranveer, unfortunately, because of Omicron, there is night curfews, and now Delhi is closing down the theaters. That is a bit of an unfortunate thing. But so can we see 83 coming up on any streaming platform soon? Because there's so many people who want to see it all across the world.
I think it's a film everybody must see. तो अगर किसी वजह से थिएटर में नहीं देख पा रहे हैं, जो which will, like you said, is simply unfortunate because it's such a theatrical watch, it's such a comedy watch कि लोग साथ एक्सपीरियंस करें वो यूफोरिया, वो इमोशन, जब और लोग, when you watch it in a community, that feeling is enhanced all the more. And it becomes a memorable experience. So yes, whilst it's always designed as a big screen film, I think due to the circumstances, you might see it on, a lot of people might see it on OTT, which is also fine. यार, ultimately तो आप आपको ये, we want as many people to experience this story, know this story, because um, it does something to you. It makes you feel proud to be an Indian. This is from what I'm reading. और मैंने 5 बार देखी है. मैं तो पागल हो गया हूँ. मैं अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड को पूछता हूँ, यार, इज इट ओके टू लव योर ओन फिल्म सो मच? मेरे
No,
को
no,
बता, बिकॉज क्योंकि सर मैं तो क्रिकेट फैन हूँ और मुझे स्पोर्ट्स फिल्म्स अच्छी लगती है. मेरे लिए तो मतलब, जैसे मैं बोलता हूँ, इट्स अ फिल्म फॉर एवरीवन. एंड इफ यू आर अ क्रिकेट का लाइक मी, तब वो मतलब अलग ही ट्रिप है भैया. मतलब आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ ह्यूमन स्टोरी नहीं देखते, फिर आप सब कुछ देखते हो. आप विवियन रिचर्ड्स के स्वैग को देखते हो, आप मदन लाल वाले मोमेंट. सो फॉर मी तो इट्स लाइक, इट्स प्योर एक्सटेसी.
no, no.
मैं कितनी भी बार देख. So yeah, we want as many people to see the film and experience it. Yes, the circumstances are unfortunate, but like you said, Faridun, it's like this is a film that will live forever
Definitely.
and will have a place in everyone's heart, and that's at the end of it. That's all that matters.
So many cricketers, Virat Kohli, Shastri, so many of them. And, one thing that everyone unanimously is saying that, it is not Ranveer Singh, it is Kapil Dev. I think there can't be any bigger compliment for an actor than this, man.
अरे सर, मैं क्या बोलूं, ये तो मेरा सबसे शायद हाईएस्ट अचीवमेंट होगा ना फिर, कि अगर कीर्ति आजाद कबीर खान को फोन करे और बोले, मैंने जब देखा मुझे लगा मैं कपिल देव को देख रहा हूँ और आपने रियल फुटेज यूज किया है. मैंने दोबारा देखा तो मुझे पता चला, अरे ये तो सीन है, ये तो रणवीर है. अब कीर्ति आजाद, somebody who knows Kapil Dev since age 19, this is very and then there's so many people but Twitter पे 83 starring Kapil Dev. मतलब मतलब कितने ही लोगों ने बोला कि आई डिडंट सी, आपने हमें मिसलीड किया है, शायद आपने क्रेडिट में रणवीर का नाम लिखा है लेकिन आपने तो कपिल देव को एज कपिल देव ही कास्ट कर लिया. सर मैं तो बोलूंगा, people who have known me for 20 years plus are are saying didn't spot you in the film. कि हम थोड़े बहुत घबरा गए कि हमारा दोस्त गया कहाँ, कि हम तो उसको देखने आए थे और उस एक झलकी भी तुम नहीं दिखे, तो हम तो घबरा गए तुमको देख के, तो कि तुम किस हद तक कोई और बन सकते हो. So I feel like this is this what I had set out to do, I achieved, because it was very important for me. First time I'm doing a living legend. First time I'm doing somebody whose persona, mannerisms, look, everything, who's well known.
Language.
You know,
Language.
and language, everything, body language, every. और मैंने I put in the work in order to achieve that level of detailing. And Kapil's own daughter was my support system. She was Kabir Khan's assistant director on this film, and she was there by my side like a touchstone whilst I created this performance. इतनी सारी चीजें हैं जो शायद ही नॉर्मल ऑडियंस को अननोटिस जाए. दोबारा देखोगे अगर तो डेफिनेटली आप ट्राई नोटिस कीजिएगा. अमिया और मेरे में वो इनसाइड जोक होता है कि हम जब साथ फिल्म देखते हैं तो एक कोई छोटा सा एक्सप्रेशन आता है कि छोटी सी चीज, जो मैं और आमिया एक दूसरे को देख के we smile and we wink at each other because we know that is so Kapil Dev. कि वो छोटी से छोटी, जैसे कि अगर आप कपिल का डांस देखो कि वो जीत जाती ऐसे जैसे डांस करता है, या आप उसको कोई जोक बोलो, कुछ फनी चीज बोलो, तो वो ऐसे मुंडी पीछे करके ऐसे पर्टिकुलरली ऐसे उसमें ऐसे क्लैप करता है. तो बहुत बहुत डिटेलिंग की, और जैसे कि बूंद से समंदर बनता है, तो फ्रॉम द लुक टू द बॉडी लैंग्वेज टू द माइंडसेट टू बेसिकली इनसाइड आउट मैं कपिल देव को पी गया। और एक ही बार फिल्म बनेगी 83 पर, एक ही बार कोई कपिल देव का रोल करेगा, और ही इज अ फिगर लव्ड एंड रिवर्ड एंड एडमायर्ड। So I had a big responsibility. But to be honest, we did the film and pandemic हो गया, lockdown हो गया, तो 2 साल बाद फिल्म देखी, तो कुछ डिग्री ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिविटी तो थी ही। मैं जब देखी इतने बाद, तो आई वाज impressed. I was like, ये तो बहुत अच्छा है यार। So it feels good. I can look in the mirror and say, good job.
What else we here for?
What as we hear.
Finally, Ranveer, if you can please tell us something about your forthcoming films.
सर अगली 2 फिल्में तैयार हैं बिल्कुल, और एक फिल्म की शूटिंग हो रही है February end so far. It's been announced that now everything is changing. अब फिर से ओमिक्रॉन आ गया, अब क्या ही हो फिल्मों का, we don't know. Maybe everybody goes back to the drawing board depending on how this situation plays out. But so far, February end, Jayesh Bhai Jodar, a very special film, full of heart. It's one of those films about social issues that have in its treatment have been given a very light hearted treatment. They really is this something I always wanted to do, this genre. A very unique, very original character. वो फिल्म्स जो होती है ना, थोड़ा सा हंसाती हैं, रुलाती हैं, थोड़ी सी कॉमेडी के साथ किसी ट्रेजेडी मिक्स्ड होती है, और कहीं ना कहीं एक हल्का सा सोशल मैसेज भी आ जाता है। तो आई थिंक द क्लोजेस्ट reference would be Mr. Raju Hirani films, who I love and admire so much as a filmmaker. तो वो जो जोन होता है ना कि सोशल इशू है, लेकिन आपने ट्रीटमेंट उसका लाइट हार्टेड कर दिया, तो आप पूरी से एंटरटेन हो गए, और सोशल मैसेज वो कहीं ना कहीं मिल, it's not it's me as an entertainer, but what it's about is some very relevant social and pertinent social issues. तो ले देखे तो एज एन एंटरटेनर है, और हंसाती है और रुलाती भी है। A film that I'm very very proud of, and it's with Yash Raj. It's coming out end of Fury. सर्कस तक है, जो कि शेट्टी साहब ने बनाई है। अब दैट फर्स्ट अगेन माय दिस अगेन सोचो फरीदुन भाई with जयेश भाई जोरदार, another new genre, another new character for me. Circus, another new genre for me. I'm still exploring my repertoire as a performer 10 years down, doing new things. Circus is my first foray into out and out comedy, like out screwball comedy, जैसे कि आप शायद गोलमाल में देखते हैं, और हमारे कॉमेडी हमारे दिग्गज हैं, जॉनी लीवर साहब, संजय रा, वरुण शर्मा, सिद्धार्थ जाधव, द an ensemble comedy जिसमें मेरा डबल रोल है. There's nobody better than the man himself who makes these comedies and has been making them and entertaining audiences for so many years. My first foray into this genre with Shetty. The circus is that out and out comedy, which I feel like I'm so happy to present a film like that in this time. इतने मुश्किल दौर से हम सब गुजर, तो ऑडियंस को बस आप प्रॉमिस करो कि यार आप सब भूल जाओ, हाँ सारे टेंशन भूल जाओ, आओ 2 घंटे के लिए हम आपको हंसाएंगे, और बस आप फूट फूट के हंसो हमारे साथ। क्या ही चल रहा है, मैडनेस क्रेजीनेस चल रहा है हमारी फिल्म में, आप उस जस्ट कम अलोंग फॉर दिस क्रेजी राइड, और हंसो, और लाइट मतलब एक हल्के होके जाओ, बस यही है Faridun that I believe as a performer is I feel duty bound to. I feel like there is a great agony in existence in the world we live in today. Everybody's fighting their own battles. Life is difficult. In the past 2.5 years, it's gotten even more pronounced. So I feel like this journey that we are all on, मेरा काम एज एन एंटरटेनर कि आओ यार, मुश्किल है, पत्थर और कीलों से riddled ये रास्ता है, गर्मी है, और we're on this journey of life together. It's my job to maybe, I don't know, tell you a story or do a joke. I'll just light or just ease the burden of this journey, of this thing we are existing in, this world that we are existing in. आओ मैं आपको थोड़ा हल्का कर दूं, है, क्योंकि ये नहीं तो मुश्किल है ही. So very happy to present a comedy, out and out comedy, and then I'm halfway through Rocky और रानी की प्रेम कहानी. I think 60% complete है. My first Karan Johar directorial, and this is, जैसे कि मैं कहता हूँ, like vintage updated Karan Johar, कि वो vintage Karan Johar भी है लेकिन पूरी तरीके से updated. So everything, all those tropes that you love to see in Karan Johar films, pretty people, great clothes, great songs, family, थोड़ा सा drama, थोड़ी सी मस्ती, थोड़ा humor, romance, गाने, music, those, जो everything that you love about Karan Johar and his cinema is all in there, and it's like quintessential Karan Johar, but updated, आज का. तो I think it's going to be his quirkiest film. I think it's going to be his zaniest film, and yet has all the classic pillars of what makes his cinema uniquely his. I'm very excited about the upcoming slate, and I'm very gladdened, and it's been very heartening for me to see the Action 283. It's been very, very special.
Definitely, it is very special, and you're having a great slate. Thank you very much, Ranveer, for talking to us. And congratulations once again. All the best wishes. Happy New Year to you in advance. And looking forward to all your future ventures. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. I'll not forget that video you put out. That meant a lot to me.
It came straight from the heart. And my wife, actually, she's a completely non-filmy person. So I told her that I'm doing Ranveer's interview today. So she said that say my hi to him. He's very spontaneous. So she has not asked me ever that she wants to meet any film stars, and she has not met anyone. But she said that just please say hi to Ranveer.
Thank you, भाभी. मैं एक रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा सर आपसे, एक बार लहरा दो के एक कवर बना के डाल दो यार, मजा ही आ जाए.
मैं डालता हूँ. You take care, man, and congratulations once again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Lots of love. Thank you.
Thank you to you as well.